If you've ever made a mistake while editing in GIMP, don't worry. Undoing and redoing changes is very easy once you know the options. In this video, I'll show you the fastest keyboard shortcuts, the top menu method, and the undo history panel so you can move back and forth through your edits with confidence. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick GIMP tips and software tutorials. Let's jump in. The fastest way to undo in GIMP is with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+Z to undo your last action. If you're on a Mac, use Command+Z instead. This is perfect when you just want to quickly step back after painting, erasing, moving, or applying a filter. Each time you press the shortcut, GIMP takes you back one step at a time, so it's a very simple way to correct mistakes as you work. To redo an action, the shortcut is also easy to remember. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+Y. On Mac, press Command+Y. Redo is useful when you undo something and then realize you actually want that step back. So if you go too far, you can simply bring your change right back without starting over. These shortcuts are the quickest method, especially if you're working on a small number of edits. You can also undo and redo from the top menu. Just click Edit in the menu bar at the top of GIMP. From there, choose Undo, followed by the name of the action you just performed. For example, it may show something like Undo Paintbrush or Undo Crop depending on your last step. This is helpful if you prefer clicking through menus instead of using shortcuts, or if you want to confirm exactly which action you're reversing. If you want to restore a step you just reversed, go back to the Edit menu and choose Redo, again followed by the action name. This brings back the step you undid. The menu method is especially useful for beginners because it clearly shows what GIMP is about to change, so you can feel more confident while editing. Now, if you need to go back multiple steps at once, the best option is the Undo History panel. This is much faster than pressing Undo over and over again. To open it, go to Windows, then Dockable Dialogs, and then click Undo History. A panel will appear with a visual list of every action you've taken on the current image, in order from newest to oldest. This history stack is extremely useful when you want to jump back to a specific point in your edit. For example, if you've made 10 changes and want to return to something from several steps ago, just click the action in the list that matches the moment you want to restore. GIMP will instantly revert the image to that exact point. That means you can fix mistakes much faster and with more control. You can also move forward again through the history by clicking lower entries in the list, which redoes those actions. So the Undo History dialog is not just for going backward, it's also a great way to review your work and navigate through your editing process more precisely. One important thing to remember is that GIMP's Undo History is temporary. It clears automatically when you close the software or when you close the specific image tab you are working on. So if you're relying on the history panel, make sure you finish your adjustments before closing the image. Once it's closed, that undo trail is gone. So to recap, if you want the fastest method, use Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo, and Ctrl+Y or Command+Y to redo. If you prefer menus, use Edit, then Undo or Redo. And if you need to jump through many steps quickly, open the Undo History panel for a visual way to move through your edits. That's how to undo or redo changes in GIMP in just a few simple ways. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, and check out the next lesson for even more beginner-friendly editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.